I get to the C, cross over to that B flat, I'm going to use my thumb on the A, thumb on the F, cross over, so I can make sure that my thumb easily hits the C. So that's why I'm going to use my middle finger on that E flat. All right. So and that's over the 5. So and that time I just graced that that E flat to the F using my middle finger. All right. And then my ring finger was on the F. So all right, so that's a nice little movement for you. Let's do something else on the 5. Maybe you've heard me do this. So I'll do a 2, 5, then I'll do that little movement that we always do to resolve in whatever key we're in. Well, you can take that same movement, all right? So I did this in the key of D flat, right? I could take that same movement in the key of A flat, and what I'll do is when I'm in the key of D flat, anytime I'm going to the 5, I have the option of using that same move. For an example, let's do 2, 5, 1. So let's kind of apply it to a song. Let's do I love you, I love you, love you, Lord, today, because you care for me in such a special way. All right, so I kind of just dropped it in right there. So let me just break that move down for you. I have the A flat up on the bottom, A flat up top. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the G. I'm playing this with my left hand, playing the E flat with my right hand. My thumb is on the G. My middle finger is on the E flat. So and what I'll do is I'll grace from the F to the D flat. I'll go. I'm playing the F and the D flat. I'm playing those. My left hand, my pointer finger's playing the F. My pointer finger in my right hand is playing the D flat. So here, my middle finger's playing the E on my left hand. My right hand, my thumb is playing the B flat. So and then I'm going to an E flat and a C. And that's while I'm holding these 2 A flats with my pinkies. All right, so just a nice little movement to have. And again, you know, so now what I'll do, let me use another thing that I'll use in the key of A flat. So I'll do something like this sometimes, depending on how the song is moving. I'll do something like, so I'll follow this move up with this move. So you already know this move, and I'll go. I'll stay my pinky. I'll stay on the A flat. My right pinky will go to this C, and I'll just go. I'll use my middle finger here, and I'll grace to the G from the F. So I'll go G, G flat, F. Same thing here. I'll go do the exact same movement, G, but I'll do that with my thumb, G. Pointer finger's on the G flat in my left hand, then my thumb is right on the F, while I'm holding these 2 notes up top. So what it'll go like this. So let me see if I can find a song like to kind of demonstrate it. Let me see if I can fit it in the same song. Kind of rushed. It didn't really fit, but still, I think you kind of get the idea of the possibility there. All right, and you don't have to use those moves in conjunction with each other. You kind of use them separate. Or if you're playing talk music, you know, you kind of do something. So, you know, you just kind of play with it and kind of just get your own flow with it. Lastly, what I'll show you is there are times on the 5 in which I'll play this chord. Typically don't use this chord in the key of D flat, but there are times in which it sounds good. So I have the E flat, G, A flat, C. So you see how I use it? So you see the chord, pinky's on the E flat, middle finger's on the G, pointer finger's on the A flat, thumb is on the C. So what I'll do is I use my thumb to my pointer finger goes to the G flat. So just go to that G with my thumb. So 1, 2, 3. So after I do that move, hit that B flat in the melody, I'm still on the 5, and what I'll do is I'll play the G flat with my pinky, play the my ring fingers on the B flat, the ring fingers on the C, thumb is on the F. So, and while I'm doing that, in my left, I'm playing this melody with the C. So. Actually, I'm taking it back to the 1 there. So I'm playing this chord on the 1. So you can actually just follow it up with that, however you want to do it. But that's just a nice little movement to have, you know. Just doing like a 2, 5. Back to the 1. And you see after I go here, I'm going back to the 2. I won't call it out, but I think you're able to see it. So I'm playing the 5, but it's kind of rootless. And then we're just going back to home. Alright, so those are some options that you have on the 5. If I can think of anything else, I'll do another video, but I think that this is enough here, you know, to kind of get you going and to kind of get those creative juices flowing. Alright, God bless you.